Your pool still gets cloudy even after you shock it, balance it, and do everything right? Let me show you the real reason this keeps happening, and it's not the reason you think. I'm Clark with Monaco Pool, and by the end of this video, you'll know why your pool keeps turning cloudy and exactly how to fix it so it stays clear for good. If you get this part wrong, your pool can stay milky for days, even when every number on your test looks perfect. I saw a pool with perfect chlorine, perfect pH, and perfect alkalinity, but the pool still looked like milk, and the owner had been shocking it every day with no results. Exactly what happened to him is probably happening to you. Here's the part nobody tells any pool owner. Cloudy water isn't a chemical problem, it's a micron problem. The particles making your pool cloudy are so tiny, your filter can't catch them. That's why your pool stays cloudy even when your chemistry looks perfect. And unless you remove these tiny particles, your pool will never clear, no matter how much shock you add. What's floating in your cloudy pool is dead algae, dust, pollen, and sunscreen. It doesn't sink, it just stays suspended. And your filter can't grab it. Now, before you fix anything, you have to fix circulation. Aim your jets downward about a 45-degree angle. This pushes debris across the floor so your filter can actually catch it. Most people skip this step and their pool keeps on turning cloudy again. Alright, here's the real fix. If you want your pool clear as fast as possible, use floc. It grabs all the tiny particles and drops them to the floor. Here's exactly how to do it. Add floc, run your pump for 2 to 4 hours to mix it. If you have a sand filter and you see its circulation settings, use that. Then turn your pump off for 12 to 24 hours and let everything sink. If your pool system doesn't let you vacuum to waste or you're not comfortable doing that, use a clarifier instead. It takes longer, but it works. I'll link the floc and clarifier I recommend in the description. Most cloudy pools have dead algae floating in the water. It looks harmless, but it keeps your pool cloudy for days unless you remove it. And here's something most people never expect. Your filter might not be worn out, but it's less efficient. If your sand is clumping, your cartridge is gray, or your DE loses pressure fast, your filter isn't polishing the water the way it used to. Now here's the simple and exact order to clear your pool fast. Aim your jets downward. Brush the entire pool, add floc, run the pump for 2 to 4 hours, turn the pump off for 12 to 24 hours, vacuum very slowly to waste, refill the pool, rebalance your water, then shock. This is why shocking first never works. The tiny particles aren't gone yet. Now, don't test your water right after adding chemicals. You need about 4 hours for pH and alkalinity changes, and 24 hours for floc or clarifier to finish working. If you test too early, you end up adding more chemicals, and that keeps the pool cloudy. To keep your water from getting cloudy again, just do these simple things. Run your pump for 8 to 10 hours, or 24 hours, which I recommend for peace of mind. Aim your jets downward. Backwash every 2 weeks, or your cartridge filter clean every month. Add a clarifier once a month during heavy pollen. And keep your pH between 7.4 and 7.6. These tiny habits prevent about 90% of cloudy water problems. Remember how cloudy that water was at the beginning? It wasn't chlorine and it wasn't shocking. It was tiny particles your filter couldn't catch. And once you remove those, your pool stays clear. If this helped, tap like. It helps me know what to make next. And here's something most pool owners never hear. And it's the reason why some pools stay easy and others turn into money pits. If you finally want to understand this, watch this next. I'll see you there.